Okay, I wanna talk about financial literacy should be mandatory course in higher education. You can imagine stepping into the real world after you graduation faced with student loans, rent, taxes, insurance, and investment decision, but you never learn how to navigate this. Yeah, yeah, that is a reality for a million of college graduation every year. They have degrees, but they lack the practical financial skill to manage their money and build their future. Today, I'm here to convince you that financial literacy should be mandatory course in every college or university program. As students preparing to enter the workforce and take control of financial life with different education that equip us to success outside the classroom muscles inside it. I don't wanna to beat around the bush. Let's get straight to number one. The number one is financial literacy prepares students for the real world. Most students feel insecure about making personal financial decisions. They learn that credit card can rack up interest-bearing debt, that saving should start early, and that budgeting is just for their parents. In financial literacy course, we are recruit students called learn how to create personal budget, understanding learn interest rate, learn to invest at young age, and even plan for an emergency fund. All of this practical knowledge will come in handy when they graduate and have to live on their own. Imagine when facing the world of work the world of work in the future, we already know how to save for urgent needs, how to avoid excessive debt, and how to make financial plan for the future. This makes us more prepared to face real life. Number two is financial stress affects student achievement and mental health. When someone has to think too much about living is expensive until they will lose focus on studying and can even become emotional. Emotional is not common from students to choose to work part-time to cover financial needs. So the study team is reduce their grade decline. Its addition, anxiety about finances make them more susceptible to depression and chronic stress. If they had reserved formal financial education from the start, they would have been more confident and calmer in dealing with financial problems. That way, they can focus more on achieving and maximizing their academic potential. Some people argue that financial education is not responsibility of the campus or that students can learn their on the internet. Sure, that's a lot of information on the internet, but let's be honest, not everyone will take the initiative to study this on their own. In fact, research from the UGD so that's only 1 in 3 young people feel truly confident about personal financial, and many have serious misconceptions about basic concept in interest rate or inflation. Even more conquering, a 2022 survey by Indonesian Financial Survey Authority (OJK) reflects that only 45% of young adults are financial literacy. Requiring a personal financial course ensure every student, not just the high-level motivation view, deserve accurate structure and practical financial knowledge is not about forcing them. It's about empowering them to make information decisions and avoid costly financial mistakes in the future. And the last point is social and economic impact. Mm.
For example, look at this infographic. Simple student budget planner. Yeah. Student can see how much money they have coming in when their main expenses are and how much they need to save with financial literacy learning. They will learn to create a plan like this to monitor and manage their finances every month. Yeah. Financial literacy doesn't make wizard browsing decisions save more and invest better. This has direct impact on the economic health of the community. Many countries mandate financial literacy in education report higher saving rates and lower fee. Yeah, I think my topic is done. Yeah, ultimately, financial literacy is not just about learning to count money, but giving us the ability to make better wisely decision. If financial literacy first we made mandatory on every campus, we will create a new generation in more confident, more responsible, and more prepared to face the financial challenge of the future. Yeah, I think my topic is enough. That's all for me. Thank you.